Hey friends, hope you're having a good day today. We are ready to have another calendar lesson together. So go ahead, if you haven't already, get your notebook, your paper, your pencil, whiteboard, whatever it is you're working on so that you can work through this with me today. And let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with our months of the year. So I'm going to adjust so you can see calendar a little bit better. Let's go ahead and sing our months first. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Boom, boom. If we look at our calendar, the month is always usually at the top. The month for this month is April. When I find today on the calendar, today is April 30th. Very good. So today is April 30th, and the year is 2020. I lost my marker. Sorry, guys. What did I do with my marker? Okay, sorry about that. Go ahead. We're going to write the date together. We're going to start with the month. So April begins with an uppercase A. It's the name of a special month. So April. Today is the 30th. And the year is 2020. Okay, so hopefully you wrote that down with me. Today is April 30th, 2020. Let's go ahead and sing our days of the week. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 So if we find today again on the calendar, today, oops, sorry, here we go. Today is April 30th. If we go up, 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 we see a TH. So I remember that there's 2 days that start with TH, or that start with T, but only one that has the TH, the sound. Do you remember what day that is? Yes, today is Thursday. So here's today. Today is Thursday. If I go back one day to yesterday, yesterday, up, 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 see a W, that would make yesterday Wednesday. Very good. So today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Here's today again. We need to figure out tomorrow. So let's go forward one day. And there's no number. What in the world? Let's talk about why there's no number. There's no number because today is the last day in April. So that means that tomorrow we will start a new month. And if we remember, this month is April. After April comes January, February, March, April. After April comes May. So tomorrow will be May the 1st. So it'll be the start of a new month. But we can still figure out the day of the week. If we know that today is Thursday, we hop forward one day. Tomorrow will be Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. All right, so let's read all three of those together and our season. Ready? Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. And the season is spring. Very good. All right. I'm going to move you around just a little bit so we can see the pattern of my problem pattern a little bit better. There we go. Okay. So if we look at our problem of the day, if you're working along with me, go ahead and pause me, write this down, and then solve it. And let's see if we can get the same answer as each other. If you are working it out and you just want to watch me, let's go ahead. All right, so our problem, our number sentence says 9 plus 4 equals. Pretty straightforward, right? Remember, we have a plus sign, so that means our number is going to get bigger. We're adding more since we see that plus sign. So there's a couple ways you can do this. We could try with our fingers if I put up 9, but I only have 1 more left, right? I can't put up 4 more. So I can't use my fingers in that way, but there is another way we can do it mentally or in our heads. If we put the bigger number in our head, so let's put 9 in our head, and then we'll use our fingers to count on 4 more. So we have 9 in our head, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So by counting on, I got 13 when I used my fingers in my mind. But let's check that just to make sure that's the correct answer, because sometimes you might make a mistake with your fingers, you might count wrong, and we want to make sure that we get the right answer. So one way to do this is to draw 9 dots. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then since this is plus 4, I need to add 4 more. So I have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we got 13 again. Okay. Some of you might have had a different way you figured it out in your head. You might know that 1 more would make 10, so then you still have 3 more, and that would make 13. So there's lots of different ways to figure it out. But both times that we solved it, we got 9 plus 4 equals 13. Okay, hopefully you got that too. All right, go ahead and write your pattern of the day down. Put me on pause and see if you can figure out what comes next. Okay, so let's look at this pattern together. First, we need to read it and figure out if it's repeating or growing. So circle, triangle, circle, triangle, triangle, circle, triangle, triangle, triangle. So each time it does look like it's repeating, but not in the exact same way. Each time it changes a little bit. So it is a growing pattern. So let's look at this again. First we had 1 circle and 1 triangle. Then we had 1 circle and 2 triangles. Then we had a circle with 3 triangles. So 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles. My triangles are getting bigger each time. I'm getting more and more triangles. Each time, how many triangles are being added? Right, each time we're adding 1 triangle. So the last group had 3 triangles. So this time we have a circle, triangle, 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 triangle. So then we had 4 triangles. So our last unit would circle, 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 triangle, 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 triangle. So 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, and last we had 4 triangles. Okay, with our circle. Good job. All right, let's look at time. So here's our clock for today. Here's our time. Look at our clock and write down what time you see. Okay, so if we look at our clock, we start with our hour hand. We notice our hour hand is between 2 numbers. It's between the 1 and the 2. Whenever our hour hand is between 2 numbers, remember we must bounce back. Okay, so we're bouncing back to the 1. And our minute hand is on the 6. Remember, when we have our minute hand on the 6, that tells us how many minutes? 30 minutes. So our time is 1:30. Okay, So when we write 1:30, write your hours first. 1, 2 dots, 30. Okay. All right, and the last part of calendar today is our money. So here's our money board. All of our coins. Okay. We have a quarter worth 25 cents. On the heads is George Washington, and on tails is the bald eagle. We have our dime. It's worth 10 cents. So when we count dimes, we're going to count them by tens. Remember, the dime is the smallest coin in size. So if you're looking at a bunch of coins, and it's the smallest one you'll see. Franklin Roosevelt is on the heads. Torch and 2 branches is on the tails. And remember, it does have that clue. It says 1 dime going around the bottom. Next we have our nickel. Thomas Jefferson on heads. Monticello on tails. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So when we count nickels, we count them by fives. And last we have our penny. The only brown coin, so it's usually the easiest to spot. Abraham Lincoln is on the front. The tails, or the heads. Lincoln Memorial is on the tails. A penny is worth 1 cent, so we count them by ones. Okay. All right, so let's look at our piggy bank for today. So we have 2 coins today. See if you can notice which coins they are. The silver coin is a dime. The brown coin is a penny. So we're going to start with our dimes. And if you remember, we just said dimes are worth 10 cents. So when we count them, we count by, we're going to count by tens. Okay? Then we'll count our pennies by 1 once we are done counting our dimes. So let's start with our dimes. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So our money today is 94 cents. Remember, don't forget that cent symbol, lowercase c, line going through. Okay? All right, guys, that's calendar for today. I hope that you worked along with me. Hope you're getting the right answers and doing your best. Have a great day today. Today is April 30th. Tomorrow we have a whole class Zoom class meeting, and it's Bring Your Stuffed Animal Day. So bring a stuffed animal with you, and we're going to do a scavenger hunt together, and we'll have a great time. We'll get to catch up with everyone. So hope you have a great day today. I think it's going to be beautiful weather, so get out there and play. Maybe you could read outside today. That would be fun. Oh, and I keep forgetting to tell you guys, I'm going to show you a picture. The other day, we were outside. Graham's really been into hunting for frogs lately, so we were kind of hunting for frogs. But we found, I'm trying to find the picture. Here it is. We found, look what we found. A bird's nest and 4 little eggs. So we've kind of been watching it. Yesterday we saw the mother bird sitting on the eggs. So I don't know what kind of bird it is. I didn't really recognize it, but I hope we'll have baby birds soon. I'm so excited. But anyway, maybe you guys can find something fun like that at your house today or around your neighborhood. So have a great day. I miss you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.